So, what is a diving watch? Well, you can recognise one by its uni-directional countdown bezel. Traditionally used by deep-sea divers to calculate the amount of air they have left, non-divers can also use it as a convenient timing device in its own right. For divers, using it is quite simple. Just before you begin your dive, turn the bezel until the white triangle and minute hand line up. This is your starting point. Then, using your dive plan as a reference, work out how long you'll be able to stay underwater. If, for example, that's 20 minutes, then the minute hand and bezel will display when this period has elapsed, all without you having to remember what time you went in. If you're not a diver, the bezel is also a really convenient timing device that's always at hand, whether you're timing a pan of pasta or making sure your boiled eggs are cooked perfectly. Again, all you have to do is line up the bezel triangle with the minute hand and you're good to go. If you like any of the watches in this video, you'll find links to them in the description below. For more tips on how to get the best out of your watch and to see our newest releases, just click on subscribe.